Welcome to Cape Peninsula Capital. Today I'm going to discuss why I think that the stock of Hecla Mining, but also the gold and silver market in general, will go down south further in the next days and weeks. In general, I think that in the next months and years we will have the biggest bull market in the history of gold and silver due to geopolitical reasons. But right now, I think it's not the best time to buy and to increase your portfolio of Hecla Mining. I'm also showing you in the end where I think might be a good price level, where you can buy Hecla Mining again. So again, here we have the chart of silver in the daily chart, and we can see that after the two sell-offs in February and also in March, we have developed these bear flags. So the first sign of weakness in the market. And here in the income market analysis, where I take a closer look at bonds and dollar, or here the 10-year yields, we can clearly see that we have developed or built this bull flag. And also at the dollar right now, we are at a multi-month resistance level. And if we take a look what is happening right now geopolitically, that we will have higher inflation over the next months, possible years. The risk to the upside for the bond yields and also for the dollar is way higher than to the downside. And I think this is something which is not priced in correctly by the market momentarily. Here again we have the chart of Hecla Mining in the weekly chart. And comparable to silver, we have built these bear flags. And also if we take a closer look at the candles with these very small bodies and the long shadows to the up and to the downside, this is not a sign of strength in the market. So this is not showing any evidence that, hey, you know what, this is where I gonna increase my portfolio. So patience is always key in trading and also in investing. So in my opinion, this is not the area where you want to increase your position in Hecla Mining. Also, right now, we are at a very critical support regarding the Fibonacci retracements. So if we close below the 61 Fibonacci retracement, I'm also pretty certain that the risk to, or the chances to the downside are way higher than to the upside. So this is something which we have to, pay attention in the next days and weeks. So where do I want to increase my position again? So there are three big levels which have functioned as a resistance in the past. So here at $12, I see a very big support level right now. Then the next level will be at around $10, and really the latest level will be, in my opinion, the $7 mark. So this is like the buy zone for the next weeks and months. And here a short summary. So I think right now the alternatives for gold and silver, especially in the dollar and also in the bond market, are getting more popular. The dollar and the 10-year yield are very close for a major breakout. And if we take a look at the bear flags and also the candles, there is no strength in the market of Hecla Mining whatsoever. And my buy zone will be between $7 and $12. Yeah. Thank you for your attention, and always be patient.